Can you guess the map by only hearing the sound? Starting out easy. Listen closely. Did you get it? This is actually old caves. Let's move to the second. Also a easy one. Listen closely. Did you get it? This is city. Okay, let's move up a little harder to medium. Okay, guess the map. Did you get it? This is canyons. And now for the hardest one. And if you still have all right, make sure to like and subscribe. Listen closely. Which map is it? Did you get it? This is mountains.